What did you eat?
The caramel corn or moldy cheese. Caramel corn.
All right. Try the next one, same color. See if you get lucky. Is it caramel corn or what? Moldy cheese?
What'd you get?
Moldy cheese. Spit it out then.
It tastes like onions.
Ugh.
Well, then spit it
Spit it out.
Come here, buddy.
All right, eat it. You nasty. All right, eat your next one.
Nasty.
What's that? Peach or barf?
Look at Jackson.
Hurry up.
Patrick is
I can't tell if I got barf or peach.
You can tell if you got
You
barf.
tell if you got barf.
I think I got peach.
Swallow them so you can eat your next one.
Hurry up, go. Just go. Eat it, go.
Quit making those crazy eyes.
She's afraid.
What is that? It's
I
probably
think I
peach.
got peach.
Lucky.
Oh wait, I think that's barf.
I think I got juicy peach or booger.
Go.
And,
I gave you two of the
next
same.
one is what's the next one?
The peach or
Let me
peach or
see.
barf.
Peach or barf?
Peach or barf.
Go.
So I'm gonna do.
Oh! See you know.
It's like dog food.
What was that? The barf?
The orange one.
Oh, I gotta go pee real quick. I do.
All right, Colton, come on.
It tastes like onion.
Eat your next one.
Nine. What's this one? Peach.
Peach or barf?
What? I hope I get peach.
I hope you get barf.
Barf.
All right, go.
Doesn't. It tastes worse.
No, you.
I swallowed it.
Dying. Oh, shit. Where you going? Where you going, dude? Oh, man. Juicy pear or boogers?
Which one? Boogers?
Yeah, booger? You didn't even chew it.
He did.
Oh, it's so gross. All right, get your other one.
Ew.
Come on.
I can't do it. This freaking thing is gross.
It might be a juicy pear.
He got all bad ones.
Can we get a burp?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a burp. Give us a burp.
Go. One more.
That was weak.
Did you just eat one?